What's up guys, it's another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. For the sake of the first timers on this YouTube channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Victor Isibo and this is Victor Isibo Reviews YouTube channel, a YouTube channel that seeks to develop its viewers in all ramifications of life. So if personal development and edification is something that you admire and you seek to achieve, then I invite you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Bamboo. Now, I made a video some months ago when I talked about top 10 most legitimate investment platforms in Nigeria, and in the comment section of that video a lot of people were asking questions about the platforms that made the cut. They were asking specific questions, so I decided to pick a few of those platforms and do an in-depth analysis of their mobile applications so that you learn about the usability of their mobile applications. And today we're reviewing Bamboo. And before we go into the nitty-gritty of the mobile application, first of all, let me give you a general overview of what Bamboo is so that you have the rudimentary knowledge about Bamboo. Now, so Bamboo is a legitimate platform. It holds all its accounts at a top-tier US brokerage firm. It's a member. That firm is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC. You know, they give you access to buy foreign US stocks. So, of course, you know that they must be in affiliation with a brokerage firm in the US for them to be able to do that. So, what Bamboo is doing is they are like a go-between between the investor and the brokerage firm. Okay, they serve as the bridge linking both together, because Bamboo themselves, they are not stockbrokers. Okay, so they help bring investment opportunities to your fingertips. Okay, and their partners are members of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation. This is like an insurance body, international insurance body. So Bamboo is also registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States and of course in Nigeria. And Bamboo account is insured up to $500,000. Okay, so you can sleep easy and you do not have any worries. Okay, so also let us talk a bit about the founders of Bamboo. Bamboo have two founders, co-founders, the ever delectable and beautiful Edo sister of mine, Nyamo Omogbe, okay, and Richmond Bassi. So these are the two people that founded Bamboo. Young minds, very vibrant people, very intelligent people. Okay, so this application simplifies the know-how and the onboarding of requirements for US brokerage firms. Okay, so it brings it to your fingertips, and you can just know how to do it very quickly. Now, looking at your screen right now, the video or the mobile application has refused to go to landscape mode, so we're shooting this video in portrait mode. You see, buy your first stock and unlock free instant deposits for 30 days. Okay, now there will be no charges for you in the next 30 days if you buy your first stock now. That's what they're telling me. And one thing about mobile applications when I'm doing the reviews is that I'm not doing the review telling you, my audience, that I know about the application. No, as a matter of fact, I can be opening an application for the very first time in my life and I'm shooting a live video and I'm telling you about it, because most of this mobile bank application, all you need to do is know how to tap a button, know how to read what is on the button, tap it. It will direct you to what you want to do. These applications are designed for any literate person to be able to use them without having any problems whatsoever. Right now they're saying, you see Tesla stock right in front of me, you see Rivian stock, they're saying buy now, buy now. They say the most purchased stocks. Look at where it's written. They say most purchased stocks. Okay, so now they're showing Tesla here. Okay, so now How do you buy a stock on Bamboo? It is simple. You see a button, buy now. Why don't you just press on the button? If you press on the button, buy now, then you will find out what is required of you. Okay, now I have clicked on buy now, and I have seen that, okay, I do not have any amount of money in this Bamboo account. So what am I going to do? They say, see what is written here? They say you don't have funds in your account. In order to execute the trade, you will be taken to deposit page. Okay, now let me just type in the amount of money I want to invest in Tesla stock first, then let them divert me to wherever they want to divert me, so that we will know how to deposit. That's it, simple as that. Okay, so now let's say I want to go in with let me type in an amount. Let's say I want to go in with $10. Let me say I want to go in with $20. Okay, $20. You see, $20. They've told me the number of shares that is worth. So Tesla share is worth $1,033.42 as at the time of making this video. That's what one share of Tesla is worth. Okay, so right now for me, I want to buy in micro units, so I'm buying $20 worth. Okay, so preview buy. Okay, see, this is the order type, is the market buy. You either have the market buy or you have the limit buy. The market buy is the prevalent price of the market. You are not arguing with the market. This is the price, I'm buying it like that. The limit pricing, the limit buying method means that you want to set your own price. You might be lucky because of the fluctuations that go on in the market. You're setting a limit at a lower price than the market price, hoping that when it drops to that price, a purchase would be automatically triggered for you and you can go in for a less amount. But if you don't have the time and you don't want to wait, or you're certain that the market is going to continue to be bullish, is going up, then why are you setting a buy order for a lower price? Okay, so you just go ahead, you don't have time to waste, to just buy at the market price. Okay, so now I'm buying at the market price, $20 worth of share, and that's it. So now they said you do not have, look at what they say here. They say you do not have funds on your account. In order to execute the trade, you will be taken to the deposit. Okay, so let them take us to the deposit now. Okay, so I click on move to deposit. Okay, now we're going to learn how to deposit money on Bamboo, and of course we already see how to buy a stock. It is the money that is not there now that is obstructing the purchase. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead again and type $20. Okay, so you see $20, the equivalence in Nigeria is already written at the bottom. You can see, based on the prevalent exchange rate, $20 is 11,290 naira. Okay, now I click on deposit $20. You see, these are the deposit options you have. Okay, now Bamboo has made life easy for you. Now you see, you can deposit with any of these cards, be it Verve, be it Visa, be it MasterCard. You know, you deposit in Naira and it is automatically converted to dollars for you to be able to invest in US stocks. Isn't that awesome? You don't have to have a domiciliary account where you have real dollars and you're having to deposit in real dollars. Don't worry, do all the transactions in Naira. Bamboo will do the conversions for you and you will have a very smooth experience investing in US stocks. You see, this is the debit card option. Okay, if you do not have a debit card, maybe it's expired or something, you can do the mobile transfer stuff. Okay, when you click on this button, definitely common sense tells you a bank account details would be flashed on your face that you will just send the money to, and when you send the money, take a screenshot of the proof, come back and click done, show them that you have done it, and within a few hours the money will reflect in your wallet, in your Bamboo wallet. Then you will now be able to use that money to buy the stock of your choice. Okay, but then of course again, They said the US debit card. If you have US debit card, you can just do it. That's for people who have a US debit card. Okay. Also for those who do internet banking, the option is there. You can also pay with barter. The option is there. They say high value deposits more than 25 million. Okay, the option is there. USD wire transfer, the option is there. So you have lots of options with which you can do your deposits on Bamboo. Okay. Away from that, let us look at the app more properly. Of course, remember, every mobile application that has to do with money, that handles money, there's some form of KYC, know your customer, where they're going to ask for your utility bill, valid identity card. They just want to know you on a personal level. Okay, they want to know that you're legitimate. Okay, they want to know that you are responsible. Okay, so the know your customer thing is very important. Utility bills, proof of utility bill, valid identity card, maybe a passport photograph or something. So it's required for you to come on board the Bamboo application. Okay, so now you've seen how to deposit money and how to buy the stocks. Now let us look at the learn section. See the learn button right here. The learn option. Okay, when you click on learn, you will see a lot of stuff that you can read up that will help speed up your understanding of the Bamboo app. Now this one is saying what next after sign up. Let's click on it. Okay, it said, have you signed up to Bamboo and found yourself a little lost? Believe it or not, that is a healthy sign, and we are here to help guide you through the haze. The first thing you want to do after you signed up is to fund your wallet. Bamboo allows you to fund your wallet with as low as $20. There are a number of ways you can do this on Bamboo, and all of them are easy. To get started, we have created a step-by-step guide on how to fund your wallet, and you can read that here. Okay, so make sure to go to the learn section of the Bamboo app and read up. Take time to read up so that you will know how to do these things. A lot of questions that I get about these applications, I just wonder, because many people don't want to do their own due diligence. They prefer to ask questions, and that is why my application reviews are being done this way. I'm taking you by the hand, like I don't know this stuff. Both of us are going to learn this stuff by doing what? Reading and clicking on buttons. Okay, now there's a learn section on the Bamboo app that teaches you everything you need to know. Okay, let's go back. You see how to fund your Bamboo wallet. See it here, how to fund your Bamboo wallet. If we click it open now, you will see there's a resource there. There's a resource, there's an article that's going to teach us how to do it. Everything you want to do, Bamboo is teaching you. Bamboo's funding process is powered by Flutterwave. Flutterwave provides you with a broad range of options to fund your Bamboo wallet. These options include Naira or USD card. We accept all MasterCard, Visa, Verve, as well as your American Express and Discover cards. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days for funds to settle into your Bamboo wallet when funding using this option. Except you select the instant deposit option, all funds will be settled before the close of the US stock market at the end of the business day. The deposit charge with a Naira card is 1.4%. This charge is capped and will not exceed 2,000 Naira. The deposit charge with the USD card is 2.9%. So you read it up. All this information is there. Now you know where this information, how do I buy stocks? The information is there. Okay, if you have an iOS app, navigate to the stocks detail page, tap on buy, select your preferred buy option, input your order details, tap review order, tap buy. The market data displayed in this demo is not real time. There's even a video. Bamboo even put video that will teach you exactly how to navigate to do these things. There's no need for me to play the video, But now with my video, you know where to find the video that will show you how to buy your stocks. It's as simple as what we did at the beginning when we clicked on buy. When we saw the Tesla stock, we clicked on buy, and we went through the process of depositing. And of course, it's just as simple as that. Okay. How do I sell my stocks on Bamboo? Okay, on the home page under my stocks, click show more to see all stocks you own. Select the stock you want to sell. To navigate to the stocks information page, tap sell. Select your preferred sell option. Input your sell details. Review order. Tap sell. Okay, the video is there where you can watch and know how to sell. So the Bamboo app is very user friendly. Everything you need is here. Okay, can I hold multiple assets on Bamboo? How long can I hold my investments? How secure is my Bamboo account? How much does Bamboo charge? How do I withdraw money back into my account? How do I give stocks on Bamboo? Everything you need to know about Bamboo is in the learn section. The learn section. You're going to understand everything that you need. Like they call it the quick start guide. Okay, kudos to the Bamboo team for doing this. You have the glossary. Okay, what does buy now mean? What does buy when price decreases mean? What does buy when price increases mean? Okay, you have the stock market basics. What is a stock? Why should I buy stocks? What determines the return on shares? You know, it's just like a whole lot of education going on in here. So Bamboo, kudos to Bamboo for doing this, making their application very mobile friendly, very people friendly, very user friendly. And you know, there's a whole lot of stuff that you can learn here. Okay, let's go back to the home page. You see they have some special offers, and you know, thank you Bamboo for making my job easy. I think I am done with this review. I've been able to show you where to find the resource that's going to help you to learn more about Bamboo. It's in the learn section. Okay, it's in the learn section. The learn section are below the screen. Underneath the screen, after home you have watch list. After watch list you have learn. The learn section is the place where you can find all the necessary resource and videos about how to do everything you need to do on this application. I hope you learned something from this video, and you can better navigate your Bamboo application and start your journey towards creating wealth with just $20. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, giving you further information about how to register on Bamboo and get started. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Victor Isibo till I see you in another video. It's bye for now.